Welcome to Artistic Design. At the end of this video, the students will be able to learn about various creative shape tools. First, let us open a new drawing page by clicking New and enhancing the size of the drawing page. Under this, we will go and choose the shape tool. There is a small flyout arrow where by clicking this flyout arrow, the various shape edit tools will appear like smooth tool, smear tool, twirl tool, attract tool, ripple tool, smudge tool and roughen tool. We will see all these tools one by one. First, let us choose smooth tool. For this, let us draw a jagged line by using freehand tool. Drawing a jagged line by using freehand tool. After I draw this line, I go to the shape edit tools flyout where I am choosing smooth tool. Select the smooth tool and click and drag the point along the edges to remove the jagged lines. Just like this. The jagged lines will be removed. Is it clear? Next we will move on to smear tool. I once again click the flyout arrow of the shape tool and select the smear tool. This smear tool will change the edges of an object. For this tool, we need to draw a polygon by using a polygon tool. I can draw also a rectangle by using rectangle tool. For a better example, I will draw a polygon using this polygon tool. Yes. So I have created a polygon. Next, using the smear tool, I will click and drag the required point either inside or outside. For example, I am just dragging the point inward. This is how the object is modified. And then I drag this outside. I can drag this inside. I can drag by choosing a point on the outline of this polygon outward. Similarly, I can change the shape of this polygon in whatever shape I require by using smear tool. For this, any point on the particular object has to be chosen and dragged inward or outward. Next, let us see the next tool, that is twirl tool. For a twirl tool, let me draw a star object. For this, I will go to the polygon tool flyout and choose a star tool to draw an object like this. I just drag that object on the drawing page as shown. Next, I will go to the shape flyout tool and choose twirl tool. This is twirl tool. And I will click and drag the mouse on the required point with the help of the twirl tool to modify the object. So the twirls will be created automatically just in a circular motion. For example, see this I am doing. This is what. Actually the circular motion is in anti-clockwise direction. That is counterclockwise tool. Suppose I apply a clockwise tool. I just choose any point on this object. The clockwise direction appears. Just select any point here and apply the tool. The clockwise direction appears. If I use anti-clockwise tool, this will appear. So this is how a twirl tool helps to reshape the object. Next, we will move on to the next tool. For this, I will remove this object. And draw another object. Let us take, for example, a rectangle tool and fill with the red color, and then choose the same thing, but I choose the attract tool. The attract tool reshapes the object by attracting nodes to the cursor. Any node. Just see, this is the cursor. That is, you have a plus symbol. That is the cursor. And I click that particular cursor on the drawing page by the mouse. The object attracts to the cursor. See, you can see. I once again choose this particular object and select the attract tool and click it. See this, how it attracts towards the cursor. The object attracts towards the cursor. I can just click it on the drawing page by the mouse. The object reshapes by attracting the node to the cursor. This is how it happens. The same thing, the reverse is done by the ripple tool. For this, I will go and choose ripple tool. This push the nodes away from the cursor. This is a cursor. Plus symbol is the cursor. This will push the node away from the cursor. So if I select this, it just goes to reverse. I choose here, goes to the reverse. See, this is what happens. Next, we will move on to the next tool. That is smudge tool. For this, I will choose another object which will provide a good example. I will choose another object. For this, I will just create a object like drawing something. A circle, let us see. Next, choosing smudge tool. Just drag on the outline. Just you drag it on the outline. The surface, the shape of the object changes as I drag on the outline of the object. You can see. I can just change its shape. Desired shape can be set just by dragging the outline. I will enlarge the screen. See, it appears like this. See how it appears. I have used smudge tool, which changes the shape of the object just by changing the outline of the object. Next tool I'm going to choose is roughen tool. This tool is used to distort the edge of an object. Distort the edge of the object just by dragging the outline. Just distort it by dragging the outline of the object. The degree of distortion can also be changed. That is by choosing the pen tilt. This will reshape the roughening effect. If I change this will change the roughening effect. Even the frequency of spikes can also be changed. And select it and just choose the area. So the frequency of spikes change. So I think most of you have understood the various tools we have just discussed in creative shape tools. Thank you.